In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your old stories on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to head over to menu. On the menu, tap at that gear to head over to settings and privacy. And then scroll down until just under your activity you will find activity log. We need to get into activity log first. That's where at the top left corner we can find archive. So first off we need to tap at archive. And that's where we can easily find story archive. If we tap on it, it will show us all the stories we've posted on Facebook, sorted in chronological order from recent to oldest. That's how we can easily find our old stories on Facebook. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.